I have a good courage. He also from Indian.
Okay, your
So
like your college mate is India, right? Indian.
yes, correct. But
Okay.
currently, you so early. You should be
Yeah, it's 7 a.m.
yeah so early. You wake up so early.
Yeah, because kids are
Oh,
sleeping, so I utilize my time.
okay, nice. So, how long have you practiced this application?
It's almost 20 days here.
Okay, nice. I practiced almost 1 month.
Okay, so how was your experience? How was the time your country?
I actually 9 13 8
Okay,
just start to work.
okay. So
In which city are you live?
I'm
Because
from
I
Madhya
can.
Pradesh. Yeah, Indore.
Which
Indore,
city?
Madhya Pradesh. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. It's
No,
MP.
no, no.
Northern part.
Okay, let me search.
You're from
Because
which
my friend,
like your friend is from the India, so he is from which part of India?
he from Bagarong. I'm not sure. Banrong. Banrong. I'm not sure. Banrong.
Bangalore. It's Bangalore.
Yeah, Banrong.
Okay.
Yeah, Banrong. Yeah, nice.
Okay.
And
Go ahead, go ahead.
wait, no, I just searched it the city name. Sorry.
Okay. So you are in college busy
Bec-
stream, you are doing the study.
yes, because I want to practice, and we can search your country and talk about how the country history. I think it is a great topic we can practice.
Definitely you can search it out.
Yeah, Pune. Let me search.
Pune is nearest to Maharashtra. It's coming in under the Maharashtra.
Yeah, I know it.
So your is
Yeah,
your
because
friend okay? Is your
Mhm.
friend from Pune?
No, no Pune.
From where?
Only Pu- only this one. In middle, I remember he city located in middle of India. The
Okay, middle
city
of
is
India.
great. Yeah, I'm forgetting the name. I remember in middle. B Ba BAL. I'm not sure. Background. Background. Okay. Okay.
Okay, leave
Go.
it.
So. Okay. No. Forget it. Okay. Do you? Ah, this one. This background. Baccalaureate, right? Baccalaureate.
I don't know about that.
Baccalaureate.
I didn't heard that name in India before.
Bengaluru. Bengaluru.
Bangalore. Okay, okay, I heard that. It's
Yeah.
India's part.
In middle, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bengaluru.
It's the southern
Yeah,
part of India.
Bengaluru.
Yeah,
Oh, south is belong to south.
yeah, it's belong to south.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I know it. Yeah, south in the south because Indian have a long area. You
Yeah,
separate north and south. But
yeah.
I want to ask you, which part is more great? North or south?
Which part
More
of?
rich or more modernized? More rich?
Modernize. You are asking about the modernize of the city, right?
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
so Bangalore is the modernized city, like it's a metros can say. So there is like I am not a metro city, like I am from the part of the northern part of India. So here is not modernized. It's
Oh,
a okay, it's a modern, but it's coming in metro in future. But we can say about the Bangalore. Bangalore is the modernized place. It's a high tech city.
because he is high tech city. Oh, it's a new city. uh, designed by government, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it. Wow. Yeah. Oh, yes, I'm from China. I based in south of China. Yeah.
Okay, so you are
I
from
also live in south. Yeah. I live in the south. The weather
China.
is
China is
better
part
in
of
the
South,
north.
right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay. So
Nice.
which
Mhm.
stream you are doing study?
Which city?
Stream.
Shenzhen.
What study you are doing? Like B.Tech, M.Tech, master degree and graduation degree. Which degree you are doing?
Actually, I'm not student. I'm start to work.
Okay, have you started work? Not still work, still a student, right?
Yes,
So which
yes. I
field you are
start to
working
work.
there?
Sorry,
Which
which
field you are
city?
working?
Which I working? I'm
Field.
not
It
sure.
may I can say like about like which stream like you do the in tech company you are working, like in medical field you are working. Where you are working? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. What about you?
I am fine, thank you. Thank you. What is the pronunciation of your pretty is okay? Pretty?
Yeah, Preeti. Preeti is the name. My name.
Okay. Okay. Where are you from, pretty?
I'm from India.
Ah, okay.
And you are from
Okay. From Colombia.
Colombia. Okay. Sounds good. So you are working somewhere, like you are
Yeah.
living. What do you do living for your life?
I am work as accountant.
Okay. So now you are at an office.
Now I am rested. I am rest because it's in the nine. In our country is an a quarter before 9
Okay.
on 8:45.
Okay. There is the time of
And
the 8:30. Yeah.
what are you do for living?
I'm a mother of two kids, so I'm looking a job right now. So that's why I'm improving my skills here. I'm
Ah,
a
okay.
homemaker, can say now itself.
Ah, okay. Okay, I understand. I now I am trying to put my background because for me it's new this
Platform.
this tool.
Okay, this app you are new, right?
Yeah, in episode. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
how long have you been this platform?
Okay, I know this platform about 2 years ago, but these tools are new in because I am I'm not practice every day. I practice one or twice for a week.
Okay, that's why. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
So we can discuss like formal talk or like what about your about job and families, whatever you want. Your hobbies.
Okay. In a, okay, my purpose in episode then is improve my skills because I need to understand. I need to yeah, I need to understand English because my purpose is okay. I have a boss in Colombia.
Okay.
My boss speak Spanish and speak English,
Okay.
but I have another boss but my other boss speak only English. For that reason, I need to understand and explain my job, no, my words or my reports in English. For that reason, I need to improve my skills.
Yes, I got it. So definitely you will soon will be a good communicator, good fluency like in your this language command can say. So you have to
Yeah, but
reading you can try it to the readings of the book and reading some paragraphs.
not in English. I read books in Spanish. For that reason, I need to get more confidence in or get vocabulary for for uh, for 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 this purpose, no? For and do you read books in English? Yes.
I read a book, not a books. I read a paragraph, some small paragraphs whenever I got the time. So I got the I can go to the GTP, Chat GPT and search any topic and just read it out. I'll do it.
Okay. And do you have an application for that? And
I have yeah, I
a
have other platform. There is the
AI.
audio platform, not a like a live platform. There, if you want to conversation with the person, like so you can call to the audio. But here is only the like we can do the conversation of the one-on-one live sessions. But
And
there
what
is
is
a
the name of the platform?
it's as fluency.
Could you please write in a message, please?
Yes, 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 definitely. Here, there you can get a good communicate, good good speaker there.
Okay, thank you for your recommendation. I say fluency. I see
You
fluency.
can go to the Play Store
I
and
see
then you can
fluency.
install it.
Okay. Try to connect it. Thank you, Pretty.
Yes, welcome. You can try it definitely. You will get the confidence from there. There is the more than 7 minute conversation there. If you want unlimited talk to anyone else,
I see
you can
fluency.
talk there.
Okay. Okay, Pretty.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you a lot for your recommendation.
Yes, yes, welcome.
I see fluency. And I hope to see you next time and see you again.
Yeah, same. It's time getting out. So we will meet you soon.